No, they broke up again.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Sarah found out that Bailey slept with Gwen. She dumped him like 2 episodes ago.
I wish she'd get her shit together.
Hold on. Someone's calling. Omega Beta Zeta.
Hello?
Yes?
Who is this?
Cece. How's this?
Who do you think?
Ted? Where are you? Are you drinking? Hold on. Ted's on the other line. He sounds drunk. I'll call you back.
That shit only calls you when he's drunk. Don't go over there, Cece.
All right. I'll call you back. Okay, Ted, you sound loaded. What's up?
Who's Ted?
Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. I thought you were someone else.
That's okay, I am.
Who are you calling for? Nobody's here.
Where is everybody?
We're co-sponsoring the Acid Rain Mixer at Pi Gamma Alpha tonight.
Why aren't you there?
I'm sober, sister. I need to be here in case a drunk sister calls and needs a ride.
That's too bad.
Drink with your brain. That's our motto. Who are you calling for?
What if I said you?
What if I said goodbye?
Why would you want to do that?
Why do you always answer a question with a question?
I'm inquisitive.
Yeah, and I'm impatient. Look, do you want to leave a message for someone?
Do you want to die tonight, Cece?
Omega Beta Zeta.
So, was it Teddy?
No, some creep asshole trying to scare me.
That movie Stab. Bringing out the crazy.
Shit.
What is it?
I heard a noise.
Where?
Upstairs. Shit. Hello?
Kill.
Hello? Stop it.
I can't believe you're alone in that house.
I don't think I'm alone. I'm out of here.
You're breaking up. Where are you?
Outside.
Don't panic, Cece. Just call campus security.
Okay.
Campus security.
Hi, I'm calling from the Omega Beta.
Sorry, hello? Hello?
Can you hear me now?
There, hello?
Hello? Shit. Yes, I'm calling from the...
I can't hear you. Hello?
I'm calling from the Omega Beta Zeta house. Someone's harassing me. Hello? Shit! Hey! Jesus, Donnie, you scared me.
I'm sorry. Did anyone call for me?
What are you doing here? I live here, remember? I just thought you were going to the mixer.
Yeah, I am. I had the change, so I'll be out of here now. Omega Beta Zeta.
Cece there?
Mm-hmm. Who's calling?
It's Ted.
It's your ill-conceived boyfriend. Okay, so I'll see you later, and don't forget to set the alarm. Bye.
Hello, Ted.
You wish it was Ted. Don't forget to set the alarm.
Hello?